Welcome to Jonah's Toy Review. We're reviewing the X-Shot, www.xshot.com. I'm very impressed with this toy. Jonah's still got his dinner on his face, but he's still handsome. Okay, so we've got the X-Shot with bugs that move as they're alive, as they move together. So they've got this thing going, which is really, really creepy. Okay, and it comes with, well, the gun, heaps of bullets.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Okay, and they've had a few good shots where the bullet does knock the bug off the glass. We're lucky to have this glass here. What's your favourite thing about this X-Shot?
The shooting.
You love the shooting? My favourite thing's the bugs. What's your favourite thing, Dills?
My favourite thing is the gun.
The gun. And it's really, really P for Jonah. The gun's really, really
Shooting.
P for...
P for gun.
What's my car? Very, very P for...
Fast.
Powerful. So the gun...
Powerful means fast.
Powerful means fast. The gun is very, very powerful. It's not one of these pool toys. So Dylan's going to take a long range shot now. And you can see that. This thing rocks.
The purple one. The purple one's there. The purple one's there.
So that's how far Dylan was when he shot the glass. Oh wow.
Oh no. Is it ever going to fall down? No. I'll shoot them.
Oh what? Look where it is. Yeah, it'll come down eventually.
I'll shoot it now.
Oh wow. Well, that's a really... Yeah. Whoa. So, yeah, that'll help it come down. Its weight.
What? I got a bullet.
So show them how to lock and load. So
you put the bullets in.
put the bullets in.
I'm just gonna put one in and then you
Put one in there.
there and shoot it and hopefully
There.
get it back.
All right, now, just shoot one at my hand so I can see how hard it is.
You have to get the purple one down.
It's like Russian roulette. I don't want to get hit by that. It's gone really quick. Baby, what's your favourite thing about the X-Shot? He's scared. He is scared of it. No, don't. He'll be traumatised forever.
I'm not shooting. Ready, watch. He gets scared.
Don't. He's scared. It's scary. Hey, you really shouldn't walk on the couches. I'm going to get in.
It's not getting down.
Oh, you're very good at shooting. It's going to come down. Don't worry about it. I'll get a towel and throw it up and get it. Actually, there's a broom in the bin room, a brand new broom. I'll go get that and do it. Anyway, so that's the double-barreled X-Shot. Yeah, but it's not such a good idea.
Don't get it on the roof.
Yeah, because it's sticking to the roof's got porosity in it. You know what that means? It's got little bumps in it, and that's why it's sticking so well, and it's not going to come down, I don't think, because it's a rough surface. It's designed for glass. So that's another thing, guys. It won't work. I don't think it'll work on anything but glass. And you can always, with these sorts of things, you can just give it put a bit of water on it and get that dirt off. So I don't believe it'll move from there. Not at all. Guys, look at this. It's stuck to anything. See, because the wall's got a lot of surface area.
Let's see if, like, on the tiniest little.
Yeah, it's got a lot of surface area on it.
It's all dusty.
Anyway, there's a bit of science in it. Jonah, what's your favourite colour with the X shot?
White.
The white? Where's the white?
Oh, no, it's the purple.
My favourite colour's the green.
The green. Why isn't this one sticking?
Anyway,
Oh, it's not sticky. See?
that's the toy review.